Good evening, Natesh sir.
ಹರಿನೂರಿದ್ದರು ಮರವೊಂದೇ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ನೆರಳು
ನುಡಿ ನುಡಿ ರೀತಿಗಳೆಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಒಳಗಿನ ಹುರುಳು.
ಪಂಪ ಬಸವ ಕವಿ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಕಾವ್ಯದ ಉಸಿರೊಂದೇ
ಹಸುರಿನ ವೈಖರಿ ಸಾವಿರವಿದ್ದರೂ ಧರಿಸುವ ಬಸಿರೊಂದೇ. ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿ.
Welcome, Natesh sir, and welcome, Ricky Kate sir. Madhusudan sir, can you make Ricky sir as well as Natesh sir co-host?
Good evening.
Good evening, Natesh sir. We're
Good
glad
evening.
to have both you and Ricky Kate sir with us. Thank you so much for joining in.
Nice to be here.
Right. So we'll quickly start off and also show you the animation that we made. We have our team members with us. So Ricky Kate sir, I want to specifically tell you that we've been amazing fans and truly inspired. I think the first time we heard you speak in one of our Rotaract installations, you did tell us about how much we should be caring about environment and what are the things we should do. And after that, we took it upon us to do a lot of environment related initiatives. So thank you, sir, for inspiring us. And we did manage to do a vulture conservation documentary earlier. And we identified that we have to come up with local content in the form of animation so that kids can watch it, and they are our future, and they have to, only when they start caring and observing will they start conserving nature and wildlife. So that was the main reason we took this up. So I'll quickly start with the presentation and run you through. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Today is International Vulture Awareness Day, September 5th, 2020. Every year, the first Saturday of September is celebrated as International Vulture Awareness Day. Just a second. Like to, yeah, seems to be some background noise. Okay. Yes. We would like to thank all our partners, including SAVE, Edu Krida, Rotaract Club of Bangalore, Sheshadripuram, Rotary Club of Bangalore, the Wildlifers Fellowship from Rotary, and many more partners who have come forward to help us with this initiative. So we have Natesh sir with us. Natesh sir, we would like you to address after we do this quick introduction. Natesh sir is director of Project Elephant from the Forest Department. He's an IFS officer. And these are the postings that you can see, earlier postings. And we have shared the animation short film that we've made with Natesh sir. And he was in fact the one who inaugurated and launched our vulture conservation documentary that we had done a couple of years back. So Natesh sir, we have our team members here, Akshay Bharadwaj, Shriya, and Dhanya Bharat, as well as our ma'am who has helped us with the voiceover. From our, I think it's been an effort put from past couple of months, and we managed to finish this animation. We would like you to address the gathering before we showcase the animation to the world, since this is the world premiere, sir. Then we'll be moving on to our next distinguished guest, Ricky Kate, sir. Natesh, sir, you can unmute.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you very much. Actually, I am having another meeting. I have to rush. So sorry, I'll just keep it very brief. Actually, I'll have to rush to Vidhan Sudha right now after this one.
Yes,
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Ricky, Kej, and all the esteemed members here. So it's Krishna just yesterday called me and asked me to be here. It was totally unplanned one, and but I want to just bring to the notice of this group again. Similar WebEx meeting is also planned by us also on 16th of September. That will be a 2-hour session with participation by Chris Borden and as well as Vibhu Prakash and other veterinary discipline experts also will be there in the WebEx meeting. So that is on the 16th of September, next Wednesday. It's on Wednesday, 3:30 to 5:30. So this is a bigger program. Actually, we wanted to have this week, but because of the non-availability of our some guest speakers, we put it on the next coming 16 basically. So it's a good platform for me to take this issues of vulture conservation. As you are aware already, many people have worked very in detail on conservation of vultures. Though India has a good number of representation in terms of diversity, we have 9 out of 23 approximately that species are found in India. Out of that, so 4 of them are actually in the list of critically endangered category. So we have a serious threat, especially in the, for a last couple of 3 decades or 2 decades or so. The endangered threat to these species has gone up. The reasons are already documented, and even in this documentary that Krishna is going to show is very well brought out, very nicely brought out. Even it could be understood by the very least uneducated, also even the least category of the society, people who are unaware of the issues of conservation. They can also make out the seriousness of the issue, because there are all the species in the ecosystem has a different role to play, and the scavengers especially have a very big role to clean up the entire ecosystem. And in the ecosystem, today we are seeing the pandemic scenario. This sort of situation comes out of such imbalance in the ecosystem, and such important creature. There's a vulture, especially they are very, very susceptible for environmental changes, and mostly their extinction or their reduction in numbers is linked to the human activities. That's another most important cause of worry. As you are aware, the use of medicines which are totally unacceptable and it's not at all good for the life of these birds still are available in the market. Though India has banned way back in 2003, such drugs are still available in the market. Unfortunately, these drugs, though for the veterinary use, the same drug is banned for the veterinary use, but still for the human use, same drug is available in lower doses. I had an opportunity to be worked as a Commissioner Animal Husbandry before this current posting, where I had during my inspections, I found our own doctors of the department were by forced to use the drug, and because of that, people, the villagers, they want immediate results to the problems that they're facing with the animals. So they want higher dose of diclofenac to be used, but still the market veterinary use diclofenac is not available. They use the human dosages in a higher level, in bigger numbers. So I as a Commissioner Animal Husbandry, also issued a serious letter to all the veterinary practitioners stating no such usage of diclofenac should be allowed in future. So still, the it's humanly impossible, because the villagers need to be educated about the impact of such a drug being in the market, being in the life system of that actually will indirectly will enter into the system of vultures, so which is causing the loss of this life. So we all congratulate Mr. Krishna for taking initiative. Earlier, I realized actually 2 years back, I remember we had done a beautiful documentary from Ramdev Betta, and I was very impressed that such a young age is taken the conservation as his hobby, and conservation as his motto. It's a good thing to see that youngsters are coming in a good way to involve in such activities. And this documentary, I just went through the documentary, very well worded and very nicely, figured out, and it's very simple language. And I wish again, Mr. Krishna and all the team members who are involved in this cartoon, basically the documentary sort of a thing, and it is really will help the conservation of this bird species, which will go a long way probably. And as you are already briefed in your, am I audible, Krishna? Krishna, I'm still there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. This species, as you are aware that Ramdev Betta, we already started the breeding program, and the initial planning process, it is we are trying to locate the exact. We are trying for a precise location where we should be taking up the center, and this will be done because of the corona issues, which is being delayed. Otherwise, the experts, Vibhu Prakash and all, are supposed to be here, and we are looking for the ideal site. And it will take off in this financial year, somewhere maybe once the corona issue will get sorted out. Hopefully, we'll have to we'll be initiating this bidding program. I once again thank you, Krishna, for being involved in this noble cause. And thank you for inviting me and giving me opportunity to present my views and my current. And I have a little bit very first time I am working in a wildlife wing. Otherwise, mostly I was I'm working in a different territorial works actually. This is the first posting as a director of Project Elephant, and this is my best opportunity to be associated with the wildlife conservation. I congratulate again you and all the team members, and thanks for being putting me on this platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's indeed a pleasure for us to have you, as well as we've been receiving continuous support from you from many years. Thank you for being a constant support, sir.
Thank you very much, Krishna. I'll be another 10 minutes. I'll be here and I'll be leaving. Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to listen to our very own Grammy Award winner and the man himself, Ricky Cage, who's put wildlife conservation and music together and put Indian conservation efforts on the world map. Presenting to you, Ricky Cage. Sir, your few words.
Thank you so much, and it was a pleasant surprise that I received this message from you and a previewing of the video on WhatsApp, and absolutely loved it. I think it was a fantastic film, and as you said, making it in the local language makes a huge difference because it reaches out to everyone. And of course, I loved what Mr. Natesh had to say. Absolutely amazing things that he said about vultures and about all of this is due to human activity, which is absolutely true. And the kind of work that he's been doing to try to stop veterinarians from actually using diclofenac as a drug for cows. So basically, we all have to acknowledge that this is basically human-induced, this problem when it comes to vultures. We have to understand that it is our fault, and we have to try to figure out what can we do at an individual capacity to actually fix this problem. Because at the end of the day, vultures are an extremely important thread when it comes to the balance of the ecosystem, as Mr. Natesh said. As we all know, they're scavengers, and the Prime Minister's mission of Swachh Bharat, like nobody else can take care of this particular mission better than vultures can. And plus, we are seeing the effects of the vulture numbers declining through the increased number of stray dogs or the increased number of urban and suburban, leopard populations and things like that. So it's really important for us to do something about this, and we have to understand that every single imbalance to the ecosystem is going to directly affect us humans, and we are seeing these effects. So we have to do all we can to ensure this does not happen. And also, I'm very happy that this has been done in an animated form, simply because if you want to create a more environmentally conscious society, we have to start with the children, and there is no other way. And the way to do this is in a medium where you take all these complex ideas and these complex thoughts, and you simplify it enough for children, which is exactly what has been done with this video. You've taken these complex ideas and complex thoughts of conservation, and you've simplified it in such a way that children can understand it, their parents can understand it, and even people who probably do not know English, or people who do not have English as a first language will understand it. So I'm very thrilled to be a part of this, and I'm very happy that I've been invited to be a part of this launch.
Thank you, Ricky sir. That was absolutely fantastic and inspiring as you. So we just started this effort a couple of months back, and we're pretty happy with the way it has come out. So without further ado, I would like to quickly introduce the team, and probably if they can take a minute to talk about what's happened, and then we can immediately screen. We would want you to do the honors, you and Natesh sir, to do the honors and launch the video. Akshay, can you come forward? Akshay, are you there?
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, Akshay. Yeah. So can you walk us through why did our team decide to go with the animation format, and when did you feel that this is something we should be doing?
Yeah. So the previous time we did this, it was a longer film, and we realized that a lot of people don't really have the interest to watch for 11 minutes, and it was primarily in English, which it usually seems like an esoteric topic for most people. So we decided to keep the language simple and do it in like a cartoon format, so that literally anyone, even a kid, can understand what this thing is all about. So that was my main motivation to start this entire thing. Of course, I couldn't have done it without the animator herself, so I'll let her speak from now. And she did most of the work, so I think that's it. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thanks, Akshay. Shreya, if you could take a few seconds and tell us how your experience has been.
Yeah, hi. Akshay was being humble, but it was like everybody were the brains of this project, and it was a very great initiative. It was really fun to work with. There were so many things I learned from this, which I didn't initially know about. There's so many things that's happening, and we don't know about it. And putting forward this message through the animation and children, if it for the children, it's more understandable, right? So when Akshay first approached me, we were going to make it very children oriented. That's why the style and the story and all is simple and understandable by everyone in a way. So I mean, yeah.
Thank you, Shreya. That was brilliantly summarized. And yes, let's get to the slide where we will showcase this to the entire world. And we would want Natesh sir, if you're still with us, along with Ricky sir, if you could do the honors. And
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can have both of you say launch at the same time, and then we can play the video, sir.
Okay,
Does it
so
sound like a good idea?
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Launch.
Thank you.
ಹಲೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಟಾಯು. ನಾನೊಂದು ರಣಹದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನೀಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಹಾರ ಹುಡುಕೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಹಾರಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರೋ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿವೆ. ನಾವು ಗಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಉದ್ದವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಶರೀರನೂ ಬಹಳ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹಾರದ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೆವೆಂಜರ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಸುವಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಕೊಳೆತು ಹೋಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂದು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಲಿನ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆತು ನಾರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ, ವೈರಸ್ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ ತರಾನೇ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರಾಮದೇವರ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಮಯದಿಂದ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅದ್ಯಾಕೋ ನಮ್ಮವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗಿ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕೇವಲ ಬೆರಳೆಣಿಕೆಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಓ ಅಲ್ಲೋಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಆಹಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಹಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರೋ ಹಸು ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಊಟ ತಯಾರಾಗಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅರೆ, ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ, ಅವಳಿಗೇನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರಾಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಿರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ತಾವು ಸಾಕಿರುವ ದನಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವು ದುರ್ಬಲವಾದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಶಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಔಷಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂತಹ ಹಸುಗಳನ್ನೇ ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮಂತಹ ರಣಹದ್ದುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವು ವಿಷವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಣಮಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ವಿವರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಹಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವ ಔಷಧಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದವುಗಳೆಂದರೆ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋಫೆನಾಕ್, ಎಸಿಕ್ಲೋಫೆನಾಕ್, ಕೇಟೋಪ್ರೊಫೇನ್ ಮುಂತಾದವು. ಇಂತಹ ಔಷಧಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಹಸುಗಳು ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರ ನಾವದನ್ನು ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿಯಾದ ವಿಷ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ತ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಹದಗೆಟ್ಟು ತೀವ್ರ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಅಸ್ವಸ್ಥರಾಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಕೂಡ ಈ ವಿಷದ ತೀವ್ರತೆಯನ್ನು ತಡೆಯಲಾಗದೆ ಸಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗಿರೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಿವೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ನಾವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಿಗಳು ತಿಂದು ಅವುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬೀದಿ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ನಾಯಿ ತನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಬಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೋಗಾನು ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹುಚ್ಚು ನಾಯಿ ಕಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಪಾಯ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ. ನಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚಿರತೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನಾಯಿಯಿಂದನೂ ಅಪಾಯನೇ, ಚಿರತೆನಿಂದನೂ ಅಪಾಯನೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರ ಸಂತತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋಫೆನಾಕ್ನಂತಹ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ಔಷಧಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿರ್ಬಂಧ ಹೇರುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ನಿಂತಿವೆ.
ನಾವೀ ಔಷಧಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಹಸುಗೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಹಾನಿಕಾರಕ ಔಷಧಿಗಳ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಮೆಲಾಕ್ಸಿಕಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಔಷಧಿಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬಹುದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಣೆಯ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ವಿಷದ ಅಂಶ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಹೋ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು, ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವು ಜನರು ಇಂತಹ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ಔಷಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾರ್ಹವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಂ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂತತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಂತಹ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ಪರಿಸರದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲು ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿಯಾದ ಎಸಿಕ್ಲೋಫೆನಾಕ್ನ ಬದಲು ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಔಷಧಿಯಾದ ಮೆಲಾಕ್ಸಿಕಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಲು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂಬಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you everyone for watching this particular animation that we have come up with. We also have our district governor BL Nagendra Prasad sir with us. We would like to hear from him about this video. Sir, are you able to unmute?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Krishna Chan. Thank you for that. I think the video is really nice and informative. So when you sent me that and said that Jatayu, I knew the subject, but I didn't know that video has been made so beautifully and nice. And especially for younger generation, I think it has given us very clarity, and you need to put this video more and more in many of the places, so that all our road tractors and even the other children and even the elders, everybody need to see this and see that how our Jatayu is, the existence of Jatayu is becoming difficult. I think as in such, I know you are an animal lover and you have been doing a lot of things, and also starting with Sanjay Krishna, the wildlife fellowship group also. I congratulate you for this initiative. And you have been doing something different each time. We keep saying we want road tractors on the board, because you always think of something different, and it is nice. I congratulate you, and also thank you for sending me this link. All the best. All the best.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much for being here. And Ricky sir, any additional thoughts after watching the world premiere? Ricky sir, are you with us? Okay, we'll get back to Ricky sir shortly. We also have the secretary of Rotary Club of Bangalore, Gauri Oza ma'am, with us. Gauri ma'am, your thoughts on the video? One second, ma'am, I'll just.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody.
You can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's fine now.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Krishna. You're doing a wonderful job. I saw Mr. Ricky Cage also giving his thoughts on this. And I think you've been working on rescuing animals, also into the rescuing part of in the swimming. I think you're really being very innovative, and we are proud to have you as a road tractor in our club. And I wish you all the best. And of course, please keep bringing out new editions like this. It's very informative and very educative for children and for everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gauri ma'am. I think it's a wonderful team effort from our end as well. Akshay, Shriya, Dhanya, and ma'am has actually put in a lot of effort to make this happen. And we've simplified things, as most of them said. We also had a message from John Singh sir after he reviewed the video. So this is his review. It beautifully summarizes the life of vultures, the role they play in nature, problems faced by them, the dangerous drugs that are responsible for their decline, and the safe drug meloxicam that can help in their survival. The animation should be shared with the children in the country. English subtitles and native language should be used in the narration. We'll definitely take that into account, John Singh sir, and see if we can come up with other local languages that we could dub this in, and then continue to use English for subtitles, so that we'll be able to reach out to the mass. And with that, if anyone else has any other reviews to share, please do. You can use the chat section or use the raise hand button to tell us how you felt about the movie. And We also would like to thank all our partners for helping us out, because they are helping us take this to all of you in a very big way. Let me quickly take a few names from the partners. Save, I would like to thank Chris for reviewing this content and telling us what would be a better way of putting across points. And Rotary Club of Bangalore has always been supportive. Rotary Club of Bangalore, Sheshadripuram, the club to spearhead this project, even when we started the documentary to now having animation video. We would like to also thank the IT Nature Trust, Geetanjali Dharmam, for being an amazing support, and Santosh Sutar sir from Center for Environment Education for quickly approving this content and supporting us, and the Wildlifers group from Rotary. We're very proud to have this initiative. We also had an International Tiger Conservation Day international webinar where people from 5 different countries joined us, and it was a brilliant event with Amoga Varsha. In fact, Amoga Varsha also has seen this content, and he'll be sharing his review shortly. And I would like to personally thank the Bharat Scouts and Guides for streaming this online. I myself have been a cub and a scout, and it's lovely to associate again and again and be part of some knowledge transfer. EduCrida is a company which focuses on it's an edtech aggregator which tries to simplify education related solutions and solve the current problems with the current day education. So thank you, Team EduCrida, for supporting this, and NSS team from the state coordinators account, we are running this. So thank you, Purnima ma'am and the entire team. Been part of Scouts, NCC, NSS, and Rotrack, so have received support from all directions. Chitrakala Parishad has also been a big support. We'll be streaming this live from 8 to 15. We have vulture related programs that's going to happen from 8 to 15 in Chitrakala Parishad, both online and offline. So please do be a part of it. Tejasvi Jivaloka is going to start from 8th. So a lot of learnings for everyone. If you're able to make it there, fantastic. Otherwise, please stay safe at home and join us live on Zoom or when we stream it online. So thank you each and every partner. And we'll also be streaming on EduCrida's Facebook channel. This video will be available on the Facebook channel of multiple partners, from SAVE to EduCrida to Bharat Scouts and Guides, and we will also have UTalk streaming this, as well as KCRE from Agumbe. So thank you everyone for joining us. If anyone else has any reviews, please do share with us, and we would love to document them. Okay, I see a lot of comments in the comment section. I think this has been one of the shortest launches. We've sort of managed to finish it within half an hour. We also have Tarun with us. Tarun is a Rotractor. Tarun, would you like to share your thoughts? Were you able to see the?
Yes, Dr. Krishnarajan, thank you so much. So it has been a great thing for now, and then I'm really proud and happy to be a part of this. And then it's really a great opportunity to be in the eminent speaker talks, and the initiative was really great. I really appreciate that, Krishna.
Thank you so much, Tarun.
Yes.
Tarun is a fantastic photographer as well, and a brilliant Rotractor. So thank you for joining. Madhusudan sir is here from the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Madhusudan sir, he's also actually part of a live meeting going on. If he's able to, I would request him to say a few words. Otherwise, I think we've come to the end of the live launch. Please make sure that you share. This is a humble request from all of us. The content has been made and it has been simplified, and the importance of vultures, as we know, it's one of the most crucial creatures in the ecosystem. And once we lose them, it's impossible to get them back In fact, we are in a situation where we are almost about to lose them. They are critically endangered. So it's extremely important for us to be aware. I think awareness is the first step to conservation, and conservation will happen through conversations. So you've been part of this, so talk to people, create awareness to them, and as a simple social media initiative, the content will be on social media. Please share it, like it, share it, and talk to people. That will create maximum awareness. So with that, Akshay, would you like to add anything else? Akshay, are you there? Okay, so with that, we would like to conclude the world premiere, and picture abhi baki hai mere dost. I can say it's just the beginning. So the work actually starts now. Please be an active part of learning more about not only vultures, about other species. We have to save nature. We have to save vultures. We have to save the wildlife. And all this will happen only when we are aware. And then we can be the force that cannot be reckoned with, because we together can. Thank you so much for being a part of this program. And please do share. Yeah, let's take a screenshot, everyone. If you can all switch on your camera, we can quickly take a group picture. Ricky Kate sir, if you're still with us, if you could switch on your camera. If not, we see your photo on the screen, so it's okay. All right, so Ravi Chandra, please switch on your camera. One quick screenshot. 3, 2, 1, say cheese. All right. So with that, we come to the end of the program. Thank you everyone for joining. Please do share it on social media. Thank you.